So in the last example, we were showing chaining, and I say chaining in quotations because it's not true chaining with nvars. And so you might say, hey, I really want to chain commands together in a single command. I don't want to store it as a variable and load it later. Well, normally you would use a pipe, but it's just not going to work in the case of the AWS And so we're going to have to use a program called XArgs in order to do that. I believe it's a built-in program in most Linux operating systems. And when you use a program that cannot utilize piping naturally, you end up using XArgs. I'm not that great with XArgs. I'm just telling you that's what you can use. And I made sure that I figured out an example that would work. So for here, we have EC2, and we're describing the VPCs. We are looking for the first VPC ID, and we want to pass it to subnets. And so the idea is that we can use XArgs, and then we can specify that value. So we say curly's here, and then those curly's here is going to load that VPC ID right there. So XArgs, which stands for extended arguments, is a Unix command used to build and execute commands from standard input. XArgs is used to build commands, so if a command needs arguments passed instead of an input on std in or standard in, you can use XArgs using a simple pipe. So hopefully that is clear, that XArgs is how you're going to chain things together in single commands, okay?